Good morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your science class. Student, today we are starting new chapter 9, that is our body. Student, you must be getting confused. Lesson 8 has been not taught yet. So, student, lesson 8 will not be coming in your exam. Okay, so now let's us come on our today's topic, that is our body. Student, in this chapter we will read how is our body made and how does our body work and what are organ system in it. Now let's start today's topic. Student, lesson 9, our body. Now our body is made up of different parts that help us to perform in daily activities. Our body parts help us to see, move, run, hold, throw, breathe, smell, etc. Student, our body is formed by many organs, and with the help of these organs we perform our day-to-day activities and vital process. With the help of the organs of our body we can breathe, we can move, we can walk, we can smell different objects. Okay, we can hold anything, we can throw anything, and so on. If any parts of the body would stop working, then we would not be able to do activity related to that organ. Now, student, for example, if your eyes stop working, then we would not able to see. Or if your leg stop working, then you would not able to walk and run. Thereby, proper functioning of each and every organ is important for the normal functioning of our body. And for that to happen, we should adopt healthy lifestyle. Now, student, activity time. Okay, now activity time. Now student, look at the body parts below and unscramble their names. So student, picture are being given for the help, and below the picture it's wrong spelling. Okay, not wrong spelling is given. We have to write the correct spelling. What does the first picture resemble? The first picture. So student, first picture is of eyes. So we will write correct spelling of eyes. Okay. Now spelling of eyes, E Y E S. Okay. Now E Y E S. Okay. Now student, second picture is of nose. So we will write correct spelling of nose. Now spelling of nose, N-O-S-E. Okay, now clear? Now student, third picture is of leg. So we will write correct spelling of leg. Now spelling of leg, L-E-G, leg. Okay, now clear? Now student, fourth picture is of ear. So we will write correct spelling of ear, E-A-R. Okay, now clear? Now fifth picture is of fingers. Now we will write spelling of finger, F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Okay, now clear? Fingers. Okay, now student, our body. Our body is made up of many small cells. Okay. Now student, our body is made up of many small cells. First, I will tell you about a process through which tissues, organ and organ system and an organism is formed. It is a process through which an organism is formed from the cells. So student, you can see here, cells are the basic building blocks of our body. So student, cells are the basic unit of our body. Without cells, our body formation is impossible. Okay. Now in the second, when similar cells join together to form a tissues. When two or more cells combine, then we form tissue. What is this? What is this? This is tissue. Now third, many tissues together form an organ. Then tissues recombine and form an organ. What is this? What is this? This is an organ. Which organ is this? This is lungs. Okay. Now, a group of organs which work together to perform one task forms an organ system. Now, student, then organs form a group that is called organ system. Single organ system performs a particular work. Okay. Now, fifth, all organ system together make an organism. All the organ system organized in a systematic way and forms an organism. So student, through this our body perform all the functions well. So student, combination of cells cells forms a tissues. Okay. Now then the combinations of tissues form an organ. Then different organs combine and forms an organ system. Okay. Now then all the organ system combine and form an organisms. Okay. Now clear? Student, today I told you about formation of a body. I hope you all must have understood well. Now student, homework. Read today's topic carefully. Have a nice day. Thank you.